Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate passive income with Blue Apron step by step clearly. To activate passive income with Blue Apron, start by researching the affiliate program. Visit the Blue Apron website and scroll to the bottom of the page. Look for the affiliate link and click on it to get more information. Sign up for the affiliate program to create your account. After registering, you will receive a unique affiliate link. Next, familiarize yourself with the products and services offered by Blue Apron. Create engaging content that promotes Blue Apron's meal kits. Consider starting a blog, a YouTube channel, or using social media platforms. Develop content that showcases the benefits of meal prepping with Blue Apron. Share your personal experiences with the service to build trust with your audience. Write detailed reviews and tutorials highlighting various recipes. Incorporate your affiliate link in your content strategically. Use calls to action encouraging viewers or readers to try Blue Apron. Promote your content across different platforms to increase visibility. Utilize SEO techniques to boost your content's ranking on search engines. Monitor engagement and audience response to fine-tune your strategy. Keep track of your affiliate earnings to measure success over time. Stay updated on Blue Apron promotions to enhance your content. Network with other content creators in the food and lifestyle niche. Continue to produce quality content consistently to build a loyal following. Engage with your audience through comments and direct messages. Evaluate and adjust your approach based on feedback and analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.